Good morning students. Today I am discussing the very important short tricks in pair of straight lines. Okay. First question. The range of A so that A square x square plus 2xy plus 4y square equal to 0 represents distinct lines. Okay. Here we have it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. We have some important formula. Given condition represent distinct lines. Here you can observe ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. H square equal to ab real and distinct lines. H square equal to ab two coincident lines. H square less than ab imaginary lines. Here given condition represents distinct lines. Then the formula is h square greater than ab. Here a is equal to capital A is equal to a square. 2h is equal to 2. b is equal to 4. Therefore, h is equal to 1. h square 1 square greater than ab, that is equal to 4a square. 1 by 4 greater than a square. a square less than 1 by 4. Therefore, a minus 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by 2 less than 0. These are the open intervals. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 less than a less than 1 by 2. Okay. This formula is very important. Second sum. If the sum of the slopes of the lines given by x square plus 2c xy plus y square equal to 0 is 8 times their product, then the value of c is. Here sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. The value of a is equal to 1. The value of 2h is equal to 2c. The value of b is equal to 1. Why? Because it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to 1 by 1, that is equal to b by a. Okay, that is equal to, given that m1 plus m2 is equal to 8 into m1 m2. Therefore, minus 2c is equal to 8 into m1 m2, 8. Therefore, minus 2c is equal to 8 into 1, 8. Therefore, c is equal to minus 4. Therefore, c is equal to minus 4. Formula. If m1 comma m2 are the slopes of the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, then sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. Product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to a by b. Here the formula m1 m2 is equal to a by b. Therefore, difference of the slopes mod m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 into root over h square minus ab by mod b. Third sum. The angle between the pair of lines y square cos square theta minus xy cos square theta plus x square into sin square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Here the formula is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Coefficient of x square cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 2. The formula is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents perpendicular if a plus b is equal to 0. Next, sum number 4. The triangle formed by the lines 2x square plus 3y square minus 2y square equal to 0 and 3x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is. First of all, you can check this the diagram in this way. These represent two pair of lines. This is the one line. This is the one line. Why? Because these two are passing through the origin. This is not passing through the origin. Why? Because it has a constant term. Okay. Therefore, I can write this equation into the form of 3x plus y whole square minus x minus 3 whole square equal to 0. Okay. Is given pair of lines, it is in the form Lx plus my whole square minus tan square alpha into mx minus ly whole square. This is the Lx plus my whole square minus mx minus ly whole square equal to 0. Observe that this, you can observe this. Therefore, the value of tan square alpha is equal to 1. The triangle is right angle angles. Here I am giving formula to you. The equation of the pair of lines pass through the origin and forming an isosceles triangle of vertex origin, making an angle alpha with the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Lx plus my whole square minus tan square alpha into mx minus ly whole square. If tan square alpha is equal to 3, it is called the equilateral. Tan square alpha is equal to 1, right angle isosceles. Tan square alpha less than 1, isosceles and obtuse angle. Here observe the value of tan square alpha. Here this is replace 1. The value of tan square alpha is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is right angle isosceles. Next, sum number 5. The area of the equilateral triangle formed by the lines passing through the origin and the line 12x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0 is. Here I am using direct formula n square by root 3 into L square plus m square. The value of L is equal to 12. The value of L is equal to 12. M is equal to minus 5. N is equal to 3. Therefore, n square 13 square by root 3 into L square 12 square plus m square. M is equal to minus 5 square. 169 by root 3 into 144 plus 25. 169 by root 3 into 169. 169 cancel. Therefore, answer is 1 by root 3. Next sum. The combined equation of the pair of lines passing through the origin which are at a distance 4 units from the point 5, 6 is. Here the formula is beta x minus alpha y whole square is equal to d square into x square plus y square. The value of alpha beta is equal to 5, 6 and the distance is equal to 4. Therefore, 6x minus 5y whole square is equal to 4 square into x square plus y square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Therefore, 36 whole square minus 6 into 5 into 2, 60xy plus 5 square, that is equal to 25 square, equal to 16x square plus 16y square. Therefore, 20x square, 36x square minus 16 square, 20x square minus 16xy plus 25 minus 16y square, 9y square. Next sum. If two sides of a triangle are x square plus 4xy plus y square equal to 0, then the locus of the midpoint of the third side is. Here it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, the values a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 4 and b is equal to 1. Therefore, the formula is h into x square plus y, x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Therefore, the value of h is equal to 2 into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, answer is x square minus y square equal to 0. Next sum. If the lines x square plus 2k xy, x square plus 2 plus k into xy minus 4y square equal to 0 are equally inclined to the coordinate axis, then k is equal to. It is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. The formula is h is equal to 0. Therefore, the value h is equal to k plus 2. Therefore, k plus 2 equal to 0, k is equal to minus 2. Next sum. If the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square equal to 0 and one diagonal is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, then the other diagonal is. Here you can observe this diagram. This equation represent pair of lines, it is passing through the origin and one diagonal. The diagonal is not passing through the origin. The diagonal is also given here, x plus y plus 2. Therefore, the formula is y into BL minus HM is equal to x into AA minus HL. It is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Therefore, value of a is equal to b is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 5. Therefore, h is equal to minus 5 by 2. Therefore, formula y into BL, the value of b is equal to, here L is equal to 1, m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1. 3 into 1 plus minus of minus plus 5 by 2 into 1 is equal to x into am. The value of a is equal to 2 and m is equal to 1. Minus HL, minus of minus plus 5 by 2 into L, the value of L is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 3 is 6 plus 5, 11 by 2, 2 2 is 4, 9 by 2, 2 2 is 4 plus 5, 9 by 2, 2 2 cancel. Therefore, 11y is equal to 9x. Therefore, answer is 9x minus 11y is equal to 0. This is the diagonal equation. Here you can observe the diagonal is passing through the origin. Therefore, there is no constant term. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.